Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set a cleaning schedule on MOVA Z60 Ultra. In order to set a cleaning schedule, you'll need to go to the three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Scheduled Cleaning, and now you can click on plus. Now set a starting time. Let's say it'll be noon. Then you can change the repetition. It can be set to once, so when you enable the schedule, it will happen on the closest possible time, and then turn off the schedule so you can turn it on again before you need it again. Or you can set it to repeat automatically daily, Monday to Friday, weekend, or custom. And in custom you can select on which days to repeat it on. Now you can set either Clean Genius, which means it will automatically adjust the cleaning parameters to whatever it thinks is right. But you could also, and you can select all, so the whole apartment, and you can set it to vacuum and mop or mop after vacuuming, and you can enable deep cleaning. You can also set it to room and then select which room to clean or which rooms to clean. So yeah, that is the thing as well. Or you can set it to custom, and then you can go to all and select the settings for the whole place, like for the whole apartment, like what you want done. Or you can set it to room, and then you can change settings to each room. You can set it to by room, then click on the room and change its settings, or and you can select multiple rooms, so the ones that are selected that are on the list will be cleaned. They will be cleaned in the order they are listed here. You could also change their order like that. You can click on that room to adjust its settings, or if you select room, you can also, instead of by room, select to apply to all, and then the cleaning mode, once you adjust it, it will be applied to all selected rooms, and then select the rooms that you would like to clean. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 5, whatever you want. Once you save it, now it's going to be used, and you can enable or disable it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.